Lucky Cement, Yunus Brother Group. Lucky Cement is one of the largest producers and leading exporters of quality cement in Pakistan and is listed on the Pakistan Stock Exchange, PSX. The company has also issued Global Depository Receipts, GDRs, listed and traded on the professional securities market of the London Stock Exchange. History. Lucky Cement Limited, LCL, was founded in 1993 by Abdul Razak Tabba. The company started with factories in the Pezu located in Laki Mawa district of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. It now, also, owns a factory in Nooriabad, Jamshoro. Lucky Cement is Pakistan's first company to export sizable quantities of loose cement, being the only cement manufacturer to have its own loading and storage terminal at Karachi port. Lucky Cement strives to remain an efficient and low-cost producer and is one of the pioneers to introduce and install waste heat recovery and refuse-derived fuel, RDF, and tire-derived fuel, TDF, plants in Pakistan. It also has self-sufficient captive power generation facility of 180 megawatts and supplies additionally generated electricity to support the national grid. Lucky Cement owns a fleet of bulkers and trailers, which gives added advantage in terms of logistics and efficient deliveries to all types of customers spread across the length and breadth of the country. Lucky Cement Limited has been sponsored by one of the largest business groups in Pakistan, the Yunus Brothers Group, one of the largest textile export house of Pakistan, based in Karachi. Product. The company is producing ordinary Portland cement, sulfate-resistant cement, block cement and clinker and had about an 18% share of the Pakistani cement market. Power generation. The company is producing enough electricity to not only fulfill its own requirements but has also started supplying electricity to Hyderabad Electric Supply Company, HESCO, and is now in the process of providing electricity to Peshawar Electric Power Company. Geared to sustainable growth, the Yunus Brother Group has diversified into the power generation sector by investing into Lucky Electric Power Company Limited, LEPCL. The company is a wholly owned subsidiary of LCL Holding Limited, making it an indirect subsidiary of Lucky Cement Limited. Being the largest importer of coal, Lucky Cement Limited's decision of investing in 660 megawatts coal-based power project in Karachi will create synergy amongst its existing diversified business portfolio. Investments. Lucky Electric Power Company Limited. Lucky Motor Corporation. Group companies. 1. Yunus Brother Group. 2. Yunus Holding Private Limited. 3. Yunus Brother Pakistan Limited. 4. Gadoon Textile Mills Limited. 5. Yunus Textile Mill Limited. 6. Lucky Textile Mills Limited. 7. Lucky One Private Limited. 8. Lucky Entertainment Private Limited. 9. Lucky Landmark Private Limited. 10. Lucky Commodities Private Limited. 11. Lucky Exim Private Limited. 12. Lucky Energy Private Limited. 13. Yunus Energy Limited. 14. Lucky Foods. 15. Lucky Knits Limited. 16. Aziz Toba Foundation. 17. Tabba Heart Institute. 18. Tabba Kidney Institute. 19. Yunus Wind Power Limited.